Right, good morning, welcome again to Micks Lakeside Railway, number 41. Just going to show you a couple of updates, run a few trains and just show you a little bit of detailing I've done on the track. Over here at the small little town over the back here, you can see I've added more figures, road sweepers from the Backman range, the busker outside the shop, excellent. Right, I'll now take you over to the other side by the station. Bear with me. Right, over here I've added the telephone engineers. Again, Backman Syncraft guy, a couple of old vehicles done in the 60s green. I prefer this colour to the yellow. But as I say, engineers, painted the tent, GPO added, guy doing the box. Right, I'm going to take you on board the train now. Bear with me while I move around. Oh, while I'm here, more flowers and shrubs now have been added to the gardens. Even over on the back here, I've put in the live bushes, a few flowers, just to bring the scene a little bit more to life. Right, bear with me now. I'm going to take you aboard the class 6805 on track today. On track today is a couple of class 50s that I've been asked to run by a fellow member, one of my subscribers, Phil. Hope this pleases you, Phil. So a couple of 50s on, one with sound. Also I'm running on the track today is a class 31 Hornby. Just been fitted with TTS sound. Now I don't know if anyone has fitted these at all, but when I installed these decoders, I put two into two class 31s. Both run very jerky, wouldn't run on slow running at all. If anyone has this problem, you need to change a couple of CVs. CV151 needs to be adjusted to 255 and CV152 adjust that to number 1. You'll find then that they run perfect. I've got some TTS decoders coming shortly for the class 67s, and I suspect there'll be the same problem with that. I don't know until they come, but that's the remedy. So don't forget, if you install this TTS decoders from Hornby and you get very jerky running in the beginning, alter the CVs. CV151, alter this to 255 and CV152 to number 1, and you should find that they run perfect. Right, I'm going to run the train around, catch up with some of these trains that's coming, and if you look along the track you can see now I've put in catch pit trains from model rail scenery. Very good, sets it off lovely. Let the 31 go around, going around with a set of rail track hoppers. Going all from Backman, excellent, really good. I feel, is one of your Class 50s, Network Southeast. Pulling a rake of cement vans, Backman, lovely models, look really good on a long train. Well, I haven't done a video for a couple of weeks. This is due to me putting in a set of track for O gauge. I'm a member of the Chelmsford District Model Railway Club. We have a large O gauge layout in the club. So I've purchased this Helgian Class 37. Put the numbers on, the corgi, the orange cancel line I've done on this, and then give it a coat of varnish at the moment. Later on this will go DCC with smoke. But at the moment, just a little test track I've installed, just so that I can run this train and get it set up. I've put this along the front of my double O layout, and as you can see, 16 foot long in length, absolutely brilliant. So bear with me. As you can see, lovely model. I do like Class 37s. I've got about 28 in double O, but this one runs at the club, so just thought I'd show you this. Excellent. Right, back onto the train now, have another ride around. Catch up with these Class 50s in a moment that come past. I hope you like the catch pits that's been installed. So a little bit fiddly to install, but once they're installed, dug out, painted, look really good. Brings it up to a little bit more modern era, but very reasonably priced. The Hornby Class 50s are a lovely model, but they haven't had their, they've had their problems. I'm waiting for a printed circuit board to come at the moment, which I find won't allow me to set my number on a certain decoder, and when I try to double head it blows the decoder. So I'm just waiting for this this one to come, and then I'll take it from there. Well, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the running session and the few updates it's been on. Excellent. Must stop using that word, I think. Right, cement train coming through, and then I'll call it a day for the day. Yeah, on the class 50 Dutch livery, onboard sound. It came with this. Really lovely model. Well, hope you like the updates and the running session. See you again.